Hi, imagine creating an online bank with or without your BVN number. So in this special video, I'm going to show you guys how to create the Kuda bank account. So what is Kuda? For those of you guys that don't know, Kuda, also known as Kuda Bank or formerly as Kuda Money or Kudi Money, is a London-based startup and digitally only bank operating in Nigeria since 2017. They have renamed it since 2019. So it's owned by Nigerians and a group of bodies. So it's London-based online banking platform. So in this special video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an account from beginning to finish. You can own an online account without your BVN, with or without your BVN. So I'm going to show you guys all the secrets in this video, and without further ado, let's dive right into it. Welcome back. I'm Chido Original, and this is the channel where future billionaires tune in to learn daily tips on how to make money online, how to invest their money and make their money work for them. So might consider hitting that red subscribe button below so you will be notified each time I drop great and awesome videos like this. So today's topic, I'm going to be showing you guys about kuda.com. Make sure you use the first link below in the description box to register. You get a discount for using that. So this is Kuda Bank, the first interface. They have the personal account, they have the business account. It's still on beta mode as of the day I'm recording this video. They have the company and you can contact them, right? So this is Kuda, the interface, how it looks like. But let's get right into the juice of the video, how to create an account. Come to the top right corner, click on Get Kuda. So you have to download it on a mobile app. You register using your application. So real quick, I'll switch to my mobile phone and I'll scan this QR code on my camera. So I'll meet you guys on my mobile phone. Alright, so welcome to my mobile phone. So what you want to do is to open up your camera, right? Come to the laptop, scan the QR code, and you see a pop-up coming up above. Now click on it. Safari will open the application. So this is what it is: get money, free transfer, free debit card, and smarter budgeting. Now they also have lower fees or no fees, right, for their transactions. So there's no need for you not to use Kuda. So here is the interface. You can learn what they do. There is a bank, this you can save and you can credit. So click on next. So welcome to freedom. You can click on start. So best experience, allow it to access your location. So I'll allow it for the purpose of this tutorial. I can say use once, right? So here it will prompt you to put your email address. So this is the first interface you see. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use chidooriginal247@gmail.com. So this is my official email in case you want to contact me for business purposes or whatnot. So this is my official email, chidooriginal247@gmail.com. Here on the password, make sure you put a strong password that you can remember, because this has to do with your money. So I'm using this for the purpose of this tutorial. So repeat the password again. Now you can use uppercase, lowercase, number, and special character, right? So here, if you have a referral code, you put this option and add the referral code. Now please make sure you use my own referral code. Is below, right? While you are doing so, you are getting 200 naira bonus on your account. It's just like a welcome bonus, so it's a win-win for both of us. You are winning and winning, so we are just making money together, right? So here is what you can read. Join Kuda with your referral code, add your BVN, your valid ID to Kuda profile, and buy airtime worth of 100 naira more with your Kuda account. So put your referral code here, just copy mine, is below, first thing below in the description box, and add it there. So after filling all this information, just come to the top right and click on next. Alright, so they will send you an OTP code on your email address that you added. So simply copy the OTP code and paste it here, then click on next. Here they will prompt you to put your first legal name, your last name, middle name, and your gender and date of birth. So make sure you put your legit legal name as it appears on your government issued ID card. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using Chido Original. So this is just for tutorial purposes. Don't use this, use your legal name. So the middle name is optional if you have one. So on your gender, you select your gender. Are you a male or are you a female? I'll put male here. Then your date of birth, put your legal date of birth again as it appears on your government issued ID card, like your international passport, your driver's license, your voter's card, and the rest. So here is your date of birth. So I'll just use a random date of birth for the purpose of this tutorial. So you have to be 18 years or older. So I think people from 2000 are good, right? So let me put this for the purpose of this tutorial done. So after that, click on next. Next interface, they will ask you to put your phone number. So let me paste this here. So this is my official phone number, my WhatsApp number. So you can chat me up on WhatsApp or call me with this number. So after that, click on next. The next interface, they will prompt you to put your state. So I'm using Lagos State for the purpose of this video. Then the city, add the city in Lagos. So I can use the Keja here. Then add the house number. So add your address and make sure this address is what you have on your government issued ID card. So once the number, the house address and everything tallies, your account will be easily verified, which I will show you guys. So I might use this for the purpose of this tutorial. Then on your city name, okay, let me copy this. Right, copy this or cut rather. Come here, paste it. I can just use this for instance. Then click on next. Alright, the next interface, they'll ask you if you agree with their terms and conditions. So I promise not to use this account for any activity that is illegal or criminal or fraudulent or illicit. So if Kuda suspects or finds that I'm using this account for activity that is illegal or criminal or fraudulent like that, their account can be restricted or they can close their account entirely. So they can report any transaction on this account that appears suspicious or regularly limits the law enforcement agencies, regulatory bodies. So just after reading this, click on the agree and I wish to proceed. It's not like you have any other options anyway. So click on continue after that. Just like that, you have successfully created your Kuda account. So click on continue. Here they'll prompt you to sign in. So hey there. So let me sign in once again. This is Chido Original 247 at gmail.com. Right, so I'll put the password. Right, so then I will sign in. So I want to show you guys how the interface looks like. Once you sign in for the first time, they will prompt you to put a passcode. It's a 6-digit passcode. Those passcode is what you're going to be using for your transaction. So after that, click on OK. Alright, so the next step is to verify your identity. So click on OK. Now you can take a selfie. They will access your front camera and take a selfie. So I'll meet you guys after that is done. After taking a selfie, the next process is to put your legal date of birth. So make sure you use your legal date of birth, and on your BVN you put your BVN. Now before they have the option of putting BVN or not putting the BVN, but right now they upgraded their interface. I guess now you have to put your BVN, but mind you, BVN is secured with Kuda. It does not give us access to your other bank accounts. So they don't have access to other bank accounts that you have, like you walk into physical bank accounts and all that. This is an online bank account that works well in Nigeria, right? So we only have access to your full name, gender, date of birth, and phone number. So that's the only thing that they have access to. So why they have those access is to confirm that the information you added here is legit and is what is appropriate. So I'll add my BVN and meet you guys on the flip side. Right, you have completed 2 out of 5. So the next step is to secure your account. So click on it. So set a transaction pin, a 4-digit transaction pin that you use. So set a trusted device. So make your device trusted. So secure account. So you put your transaction pin and click on done. That's all. This is the next interface. If you can't set your device as a trusted device, not to worry, just click on no, and you have already secured your pin. So that one is enough. So the next step is they want to know more about you and all that. So click on that option. So you choose the best way to describe your income, your total monthly income. What is it? I'll put this. Then click on next. So what is your primary source of income? Are you earning from salary or other investments, returns or person? So I'll put business income here. I'll click on next. Choose the option that best describes your employment status, industry. Are you agriculture, entertainment, education, whatever you are into? Just add it here. So I can add
real estate, for instance, or whatever my own is. I might say finance. Let me use finance for the purpose of this tutorial. Then click on next. So what do you want to use Kuda for? You might say receiving salary, saving money, debit card, overdraft. So I'm using it for everyday transaction. I highly recommend you guys choose that. So they're all done. Click on OK. So the final step is to increase your limits. So I've done 4 out of 5. So this is the final step, is to increase your limits. And by now you have already done. You can go to your dashboard, right? I can visit my dashboard, right? Zero balance, savings. I can borrow money and all that. I can add money as well. So I can enable touch ID. I can add money and invite friends. So payments. So I might say once. Web payments, list to use on web. You can click on next. Gift card and all that. So you can send money, transfer money to all banks, buy airtime, pay bills, shop around the world with their gift card, and pay online. So you can do a lot of stuff here. The budgets, you can put a budget that you want to save towards, create a budget and a time frame. Then you can get their card, the Kuda card. That's a debit card or credit card that you can use to do things online, transactions online, right? So if you are more interested in Kuda, to know about their cards, limitations and all that and other things you can use Kuda for, just hit me up. My contact information, the first thing below in the description box. So here they have the Kuda card. So I can request a card. So here you need a minimum of 1,000 naira in your balance. So delivery cost is free, so they will deliver it to me free of charge. There's a virtual card and there's a physical card. So you can use the physical card to withdraw in ATMs and POS machine and online. The virtual cards is just to shop online. So whichever one you prefer, you can get them. But another interesting thing I want to show you guys about Kuda to other banks, they are sending is 50,000 naira per transaction. They are receiving is 50,000 naira per transaction. Their daily is 50,000 naira per transaction. So you can lift this limit, which I will show you guys shortly. So for free transfers, you can see what they accept. Your account balance can be 200,000 naira. Single withdrawal 10,000 naira, and single payment POS payment 50,000 naira pay go. So you can increase this limit. Below you can see increase limit. So click on that. You just have to upload a valid ID card, government issued ID card, like I told you guys while registering this wonderful app. So they accept international passports, they accept their voters card, I think they accept your driver's license, and they also accept your national ID card. That's the main card itself. So anyone you have, you can use it here, but the one that works best is the international passport. So I'll click on OK, right? Select the ID, driver's license, national slip, NIN slip. Okay, they accept the slip version as well. So if you don't have the card version of NIN, you can use the slip version. So passport is a voter's card. So I'm going to use passport for the purpose of this tutorial. Click on next. Here I have to take a photo of the passport. So they will access my back camera and take a photo of the passport, and my limit will be lifted. I'll show you guys how much limit is being lifted on the transaction page after I'm done. Create a Kuda account. Now the review is in process. They will verify my international passport. Now you have to take a selfie video as well. Just make your face a circular motion twice, and that's all. Your account is verified and the limit will be lifted. So that's how to create a Kuda account successfully. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys more things and more features you can use Kuda, and how to make money from Kuda. People are making money from Kuda. So Kuda is a very cool app and it's here to stay. It's a very strong app. As you can see, the app interface alone, you can see it's okay. I mean, the headquarters is in London, right? So now that being said, you can see the banner passing below. If you want to fund your PayPal account, you want to withdraw from your PayPal, or you want to buy gift card or sell your gift card, or any cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, USDT, it doesn't matter, whichever cryptocurrency you want to buy, I can sell them at a very cheap rate for you. So contact me if you need PayPal funds, Wise funds, Billionaire funds, you want to do arbitrage, hit me up. My contact information is first thing below on the description box. My WhatsApp is there, my Instagram is there, my Facebook is there, my email, my phone number, you can call me as well. So whichever means you deem fit to contact me, hit me up. My contact information is first thing below on the description box, so hit me up. And that being said, guys, I'll see you guys on my next video.